Kubernetes lets you work in two styles: imperative commands, where you tell it what to do now, and declarative files, where you describe the state you want. Imperative is action oriented. Run this pod, scale this deployment, delete that service. It is direct and fast. Declarative is state oriented. The file says what should exist and Kubernetes works toward that state. Imperative commands are great for quick experiments. Declarative files are better when you need repeatability, review, and a clear source of truth. For example, kubectl create deployment can quickly create a deployment without writing the YAML first. A practical trick is dry run with output YAML. It lets you generate a starting manifest, then edit and commit the file. In declarative mode, you update the file, maybe change replicas or image, and apply it again. The file remains the record of intent. If someone changes the live object by hand, a declarative workflow gives you something to compare against. That makes drift easier to detect. In real work, you often use both. Imperative commands help you learn and inspect. Declarative files should carry the durable production change. Be careful with command names. Apply is designed for declarative field management. Replace is a different operation and can be more blunt. Declarative does not mean Kubernetes guesses what you wanted to delete. Deletion should be explicit or handled through a careful pruned workflow. For teams, declarative files fit code review, pull requests, GitOps, and audit trails. That is why production Kubernetes tends to lean declarative. The mental model: imperative commands are actions you take now. Declarative files are intent. You can review, repeat, and reconcile over time.